Okay, let's install SAG client. So first we need to install wget, open terminal, and just paste this in. And then enter. And then paste these in. So it will download the package to, it will make a CS201 work folder, and then download the client tar file there and then untar it. So if we open a Finder window and then go to your home folder, which is, you can do it by this, and you see this. You can delete this. This is just the tar file. And once you are here, you can see a file called install, which tells you to run this, and first we need to change the directory to the installation folder, and then we can do this. So now it says add the following to the end of tutor.csshrc. Here I'll use a very stupid way, which is first enable showing the hidden files, and then you can simply double click, open it, and just copy paste, save it and close it. And then according to the document, it's finished, but you cannot find the client. So actually you need to do something more. So inside this bin file, there's the client, and by doing this you'll run the client.